There are many advantages to using a waterborne finish system. When investigating a possible change to a waterborne system, customers should consider the following benefits. There are little to no volatile organic compounds known as VOCs, a measuring stick for harmful emissions. This allows for easier air permitting and compliance to local emission laws. Another benefit, waterborne coatings contain no hazardous air pollutants, known as HAPs, also a standard for coating emission safety. Waterborne coatings are also formaldehyde-free, thus can possibly provide for LEED or Green Guard compliancy. They have much lower odor than solvent-based coatings, making the environment in the shop and the neighborhood more pleasant. In general, waterborne coatings are better for personal health and safety. But remember, a proper spray mask and personal protective equipment should still be used, as there are co-solvents, resins, and other chemical additives present. Waterborne systems present little to no fire hazard. Likewise, they can be reduced and cleaned up with water, eliminating solvent use so less hazardous waste is generated. There is always a learning curve associated with switching to any new coating system, and this is true with waterborne systems, but the advantages are well worth it.